Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Word Hub. Today, we're going to learn 3 words that sound very similar but have completely different meanings: hanger, cliffhanger, and hanger. Many English learners get confused with these words, but by the end of this video, you'll never mix them up again. Let's start with the word hanger, spelled Hangar. A hangar is a large building where airplanes are kept or repaired. For example, the pilot parked the aircraft in the hangar. So remember, hangar refers to a building for airplanes. It has nothing to do with hanging clothes or anything else. It's all about aircraft. Now let's move to the next word, cliffhanger. This word is often used when we talk about movies, TV shows, or books that end in suspense. A cliffhanger keeps you waiting eagerly to know what happens next. For example, the episode ended with a real cliffhanger. I can't wait for the next part. So, cliffhanger means something that leaves you in suspense, not something you use to hang clothes or store airplanes. And finally, let's talk about hanger, spelled Hangar. A hanger is an object used to hang clothes neatly in your wardrobe. For example, I bought new hangers to organize my wardrobe. So, just to make it clear, hanger for airplanes, cliffhanger for suspense, hanger for clothes. 3 words that sound similar, but mean very different things. And speaking of hangers, if you're looking for a perfect pair that's sturdy, stylish, and space-saving, do check the link in the description below. It's one of the best-rated hangers on Amazon, with over 57,000 positive reviews, a 4.2-star rating, and honestly, the best price you can find. I personally love it. It keeps my clothes neat and my wardrobe super organized. So now you know, hanger for airplanes, cliffhanger for suspense, and hanger for your clothes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Word Hub for more short and simple English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.